Hello everyone, my name is Tusargar and today I am going to start one new tutorial which is Insight in Data Cloud. I can start this topic with a simple example. First of all, let me tell you what we learned in previous tutorial. We learn about how we can get the data from different data sources, right? After then, we learn how we can store that data in DMOs, right? We learn how we can create a unified profile for the customer, and everything we learn in the previous tutorial we simply learn how we can get the data from third party system to Salesforce. Now the data is already in Salesforce. Now what is the next step? Yes, this is the next step. Now the data is in Salesforce. Now what is the use for that data? Why we are doing this type of struggle? There are some use of that data. Na? Like we are storing that data in Salesforce, so it means we will use that data in future, right? So now insight will come into the main role here. When the data will store in our Salesforce database, so according to customer data, our agent will see the customer behavior, and customer they will create some reports, analyze the data and understand that what type of customer is that. Like we create the unified profile for Tushar Garg, right? Now agent will understand, okay, Tushar Garg is very good customer, or till now he purchased among more than 1 lakh rupees items from our stores. He likes the brand shoes, or he likes the branded clothes or anything, so that we agent can understand, like, okay, what is the overall purchase of that customer, and which if that customer is purchased the items more in weekends, or like we will understand the whole view of the customer. So using insight, simply let me tell you the definition. Salesforce Data Cloud Insight provide a valuable and real-time and calculated information about the customer based on the data stored in data cloud. So basically, data insight will provide the information about the customer using the data which is stored in data cloud, and they can let business understand about the customer behavior, trends, and everything. So hope you understand about the insight. Let me tell you the two different type of insight, which is calculator insight and streaming insight. Now, what is calculator insight? Okay, so now tell me one thing, if agent want that overall how much rupees item that particular customer purchase in this year. So this is something we will occasionally check. Like this is something where agent do not need the uh, on the spot data on or real time data, like because they are checking the overall purchase of 1 year. They are not checking uh, recently what that customer purchase, or within 5 minutes is there any customer purchase anything. No, they want to check in the whole year how much customer purchase how much rupees item. So in that type of scenario we will go with calculator insight. So basically calculator insight will based on the historical data. Like they will based on the historical data, and this insight happen on a particular interval. So if you know about the batch classes, so batch classes, how batch classes run, like we will schedule a batch on daily basis, or after 2 hours or after 3 hours, right? We will not run the batch on the spot, right? So you can simply understand that calculator insight is something like batch classes. So if we want the data, or we want the average of any customer last 6 month purchase, then we will go with the calculator insight. Hope you understand that. Now let me go to the streaming insight. So what is streaming insight? So it will show you the real time data of the customer. You can understand that using if I tell you about the triggers. So when a record is created, trigger will run on the spot. Trigger will not wait for any event. It will give you the it will run on the spot, and it will give you the real time data to Salesforce, right? Or it will perform the real time automation to Salesforce. Something like that in the streaming API, streaming insight also. In streaming insight, we will people will get the on the spot data, right? So this is the main difference between calculator insight and a streaming insight. If I tell you the example for a streaming insight, so if agent want to send a thank you message to those customer who purchase the item within 5 minutes, so they can simply use a streaming insight. So I know I'm not showing you the practical demo for now, but yeah, in my upcoming lectures, I will give you the practical demo where I will tell you how you can generate the queries and all. So thank you so much for joining this lecture. Thank you guys.